letting them know that she's found something she wants to eat. I don't know which one of you guys it is. Oh, you know. Pointing at your brother. Remember what I said. If she does come up to you, you want to stand there very still. They are focused on movement. They are hyper-aware. If you stand there still, they will go past you. I know it seems counterintuitive. It's very hard to do. None of us have figured out a way to do it because it's very easy, Blue. What's that about? That's weird. But there was the original Snapchat. Scanning her environment. You can see she feels a little defensive. That mouth is open. Those jaws are open. She is displaying her teeth. She is saying, this is my area. Remember what I said. I know it's hard. It's hard to do it until you're up here. Nope. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Back it up. Yeah, make it to safety. If you have any food in the area, I highly recommend putting it away. They hopefully don't eat you, or any of us, but they eat meat. We feed her mice, small animals. Actually, take a step up. It's just, yeah. She just looked like she was about to run toward you. These animals are fast. They run up to 40 miles an hour. Only when they're hunting though, so we should be fine. Plus, we've got cement here at the encounter. That helps. The way they get so fast is they dig these toe claws into the earth and push off real fast. But luckily, this ground is slick. She can't get those claws through the cement. Now that is a sort of attack pose. That's interesting. She's using that tail to balance herself out. She is about 1,000 pounds. So that muscle of her tail is one of the largest in her body. Right up here, Hunter. You know her, and Blue knows you. Look at that recognition. Her eyes are on you. Yeah, friend, not food. Good job, Hunter. Nice command. You're really getting good at that. Solid work. It takes a long time to get to the island, I understand. You guys went through a lot to get here. We are 120 miles off the coast. I will say that if a storm does roll in, you want to get back to the ferry as quick as possible. How do you guys feel about wild animals? Good? Good, because she's right back at you. But you seem pretty calm, which is nice. I would move out of here real quick. Here we go. Who's lunch? Who's next? I'm so sorry. Who's next? I don't know.
Check out the moth.
Jeez, there we go. She's calmed down a little bit. That's good for us. We're able to study her a little easier. That's the goal of this research, is to figure out if dinosaurs and humans can coexist. We're going to be around them for a long time. If she's communicating with you, scream back. Yeah! What did you say? You don't know? Oh, that's not good. Well, hopefully it was not bad. Oh, she is getting a little defensive. Maybe try something else. Yeah, you just barked. You did like a raptor bark. Maybe do 3. That's communication with raptor. You guys are having a conversation. I just wish I was a part of it. Yeah, let's get a nice documentation of you guys in front of her.